our house, along with a lot of the houses in our community, were burned to the ground in the Eaton fire.
I got hurt on the job a couple years ago. I ended up losing my apartment.
My father died and we had to sell the house, so that left me homeless.
We had a twin brother and we had an apartment, but it was a tragic accident. He got killed. So it was just me. I couldn't afford the whole apartment by myself. My blanket and my pillow. Yep, mine almost like a bed, so yeah, that's what I do.
A lot of people are one missed paycheck away from being in this exact scenario.
I can't help the economy. I cannot help I couldn't get a job and maintain where I was living.
We don't choose to be homeless, and like most of us don't want to be in this situation.
You can fill the Staples Center with a number of people experiencing vehicular homelessness in Los Angeles.
I'm a beer draft. You know the beers with the tap? I clean that.
A lot of working class people, you'd be really surprised. People, like right now while we're here, people in their cars with their laptops.
I started a business while I was in my car. Winter Grace sugar-free chocolates.
I primarily drive as much as I can, deliveries, passengers here and there. I do my best to dress nicely.
Our participants don't even tell their own friends and family, definitely not their coworkers, that they're experiencing homelessness because they're afraid of what that will do to their relationships.
Too many times I've heard about people that are being victimized on public streets, being hassled, not being able to get a restful night's sleep.
One of my biggest fears was she's sleeping in a car with her son, so now they're gonna call the police and CPS, and it's just like, no, please don't.
It's dangerous parking anywhere.
Today, several groups got together for Fix It Day at the Peterson Automotive Museum.
Safe Parking LA, along with CarParts.com, came together. Volunteer mechanics provided essential car repairs for free.
There's 38 families that are here today that are having their cars fixed, people who their cars are their life. And so they have, a breakdown. It could be devastating.
This community is vulnerable to the condition of their cars. If their cars don't have good tires or brakes, they could lose that car. Our mission at CarParts.com is to help people fix their cars, so it's a natural fit.
It's our home, so we need to be able to depend on it to get us to where we need to be.
Their car is a true lifeline for them. It's the stability of getting to work on time, getting their kids to school on time.
It was nice to be able to breathe for a second, knowing that my car is going to be in safe hands.
All the effort that people put in, the warm, friendly faces that our participants get to see, it communicates that people care.
I didn't know I liked my car so much. Now I know.
I'm excited, man, because a little tiny bit of money I have, I could save it for the apartment I'm gonna get.
It's imperative that we have a good, stable way to get around.
That impact, it has ripples.
People in this community in Los Angeles will go above and beyond to help them take that next step.
People want to help. The trick is you gotta let them.
You know you have support, then it's like, okay, I'm not doing this alone.
I just recently got into my own apartment.
Homelessness is not a monolith. I could be the face of someone experiencing homelessness. My neighbor could be the face of someone experiencing homelessness.
Even though you're in your car, you can still make it. I'm not ashamed about where I come from. I'm excited about where I'm going.